This is another video in response to one of the Boy Blues videos. The Juggalo Holocaust is not real. All thing I can say about that is I never once believed in the Juggalo Holocaust thing there. To begin with, when I first started hearing about it, I surfaced on YouTube, people talking about it, Facebook talking about it, you know, whatever else talking about, fucking MySpace talking about it, all those fucking websites talking about it, wherever you fucking go, they fucking talk about it, you know, anywhere you can go, where they were bringing it up, talking about it, you know. And actually, I think the very, very first time I've heard anything about the Juggalo Holocaust was when, I'm not sure, I think it was Jamie or Monoxide talking about it on W Fuck Off Radio there, and all that stuff, and even then I was like, yeah, it's a bunch of bullshit, you know, it's fucking bullshit, yeah, a bunch of little fucking kids, trolls with dicks up their fucking ass, trying to get a name for themselves, you know, trying to live off of, you know, the Juggalo fame thing there, you know, because how we're well known all over the world, you know, for shit, you know, whatever, you know. Never mind 50 states, all over the fucking world, period. They kill everybody? Come on now. That's how they knew it was fucking bullshit, you know? And all that, you know? But yeah, I agree with you. Juggalo Holocaust are not real, you know? Because, and then again, I never believed it in the first place. I would have just fucking comment down below and said it. I'm like, what? My whole thing, I'm like, it's YouTube, you know? One YouTube is for video, so I'm like, fuck it, do a video response to it. Ching ching! I don't know. But, yeah. I don't know how that video partnership works for you, not like that though, but you know, does it like, do you only get paid if they comment on the video or watch it or whatever, or what, you know? Because if I'm not, you know, because if I'm not helping in your, I guess your work, in your job that you do for life, I'm making your paycheck and all that stuff, then fine, then I'll stop writing comments on all that stuff for you and all that stuff, you know? Yeah, I don't know. Well, that's all I had to say about that is I never once believed in the Juggalo Holocaust at all. I never knew they were fucking, never thought they were real. But that was it. I guess keep it safe, all that good stuff. If you can't keep it safe, I don't know. I would say make sure she's hot looking. If you can't keep it safe, but it doesn't make a difference if it's a her or him or you, I guess. Not just kidding with you there, you know. Much wicked clown love. Whoop whoop. And I guess I'm out. Have fun. Chicken and grease, bacon strips, pork fried rice, and everything else. The video should stop now.